Hi Ramana, welcome to the Leader's Point of View. Thank you so much for doing this. So I have a couple of questions. My first question for you is, you've been a leader at Dr.Reddy's for so many years. What does it take to succeed as a leader in Dr.Reddy's?
For any leader to succeed in Dr.Reddy's, he or she should be purpose driven in the sense that how one understands his or her role, how will it add to the purpose of the organization. Second, I think, is empathy. Empathy to understand what are the unmet needs of our customers, of our stakeholders, and how do you dynamically deliver on it. It's essential for the leaders to take end-to-end leadership. What do I mean by that? It is our ability to ideate the product in order to ensure that we will be first to the market, ability to ensure that the product is coming in at the right time, at the right cost, ability to take the market share, and to work end to end. I think these three would, kind of help the leader to be a good leader within Dr. Reddy.
So let's imagine someone is, looking for a job and they want to know whether they should join Dr. Reddy's. What would you tell them that why is it the best time today to join Dr. Reddy?
I think first of all, joining any pharma company, it doesn't matter at any point of time, is a great opportunity for anyone because you are contributing to the health and the well-being of the society. Second, I think Dr. Reddy's is a very purpose-driven organization. Stay true to the purpose and will continue to stay true to it. You're also a very purpose-driven individual, intending to contribute to the humanity, to the society. Great place to work with because this is where your energies can be aligned. Third, I would say, is the value system of Dr. Reddy. So it is not something that we put on the wall. This is something that we practice. And fourth, I think, is the growth story, right? So apart from being a very well recognized generic company, increasingly we're looking into how can we bring in innovation? How can we be the company that brings in the next standard of care? How can we elevate the suffering? How can we help in the illness to the wellness journey? So if I bring all of that together and the opportunity for each individual to grow, whether it is individually as a person or individually as a professional, great place to be.
There's so many people in your team who've been around for very long, like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Why do people stay so long?
For the fact that A, they feel respected, they feel valued as an organization. Second, as a leader, I try to understand what are their needs, how could I work the organization to deliver on their specific needs. And third, I think they also see how their contribution is helping in terms of the growth of the company. They see that they can also grow within the organization. And also the fact that organization has always acknowledged and rewarded the people. They also feel grateful to be part of the organization. So I would say to a large extent it is because of the organization.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ramana. This is great. Thank you so much.